If you had Tony Stark's brain tomorrow, you'd be unstoppable. Here's how to actually get it, scientifically. You walk into a meeting, recall every fact, name, and number, without even checking your phone. You learn faster than your professors, remember more than your boss. And when people ask, how do you do it? You just smirk. Because for once, you're not the one catching up, you're the one they're chasing. Here's the thing, Tony Stark didn't just build Iron Man. He built a mental operating system that made him unstoppable. And today, I'm upgrading your brain with 5 real, science-backed exercises, plus a secret bonus weapon that actually improve memory, focus, and retention. And no, this isn't drink more coffee or get 8 hours of sleep. We're going full Stark Industries mode. Upgrade 1, the Memory Palace Reactor. If Jarvis was your personal assistant, he'd need a database. Your brain has one too. It's called the method of loci, or the memory palace. Used by Roman senators, medieval scholars, and modern memory champions. It turns places you know into storage for any info you want. How it works. Pick a place burned into your mind. Your bedroom, your school, your favorite cafe. Assign each fact to a location inside it. Make it weird, funny, or emotional so it sticks. Example, need to remember the Bill of Rights? Imagine opening your fridge to find George Washington eating your leftover pizza while reading Amendment Number 1. And just like that, school stops feeling like a blur. You actually start feeling in control. Pro tips for max performance. Multiple palaces for multiple subjects. Reuse palaces after info moves to long-term memory. Works for STEM, essays, languages, literally anything. Comment the first location you'd use for your memory palace, if this is your new storage drive. Upgrade 2 is your turbocharger. Upgrade 2, Active Recall Arc Reactor. Tony Stark didn't just store data, he stress tested it. That's active recall. Instead of rereading, you pull info from memory without looking. This forces your brain to reinforce neural pathways, like steel beams in a skyscraper. How to run it. Learn something once. Close your notes. Try explaining it, out loud, on paper, or to your pet goldfish. Example, studying anatomy. Read about the heart once. Then explain how blood flows. Like you're narrating a racetrack for kids. Why it works. It strengthens your hippocampus, improves retrieval under pressure, and makes you faster at problem solving. Exactly what you need in high-stakes situations. And when that test, that interview, or that big presentation hits, you don't panic, you perform. Try explaining photosynthesis in 1 sentence in the comments. No Googling. I'll rate your Stark level from 1 to 10. But what if you could lock that knowledge in for years? Without extra work? That's Upgrade 3. Upgrade 3, Spaced Repetition Protocol. If active recall is the workout, spaced repetition is the recovery plan that builds lasting gains. Instead of cramming, you review material at increasing intervals. Today, 3 days later, a week, then a month. This fights the forgetting curve, which is your brain's default memory dump. Example, learn 20 Spanish words today, review them tomorrow, then 3 days later, then in a week. By the time you hit a month, you'll recall them effortlessly while ordering tacos in Mexico City. No more forgetting names, facts, dates, like you always do when it matters most. Low-tech hack. Use a shoebox with 5 sections. Daily, every 3 days, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. If you get one wrong, move it back to the daily box. High-tech hack. Anki, Rimnote, Quizlet. Your digital Jarvis for memory scheduling. Drop your favorite learning app in the comments. Let's crowdsource the ultimate study tech list. But if you're only using words, you're leaving half your brain's power in sleep mode. Upgrade 4 wakes it up. Upgrade 4, Dual Coding Display. Tony Stark never just read a schematic. He saw it. That's dual coding. combining words with visuals. So your brain builds two highways to the same destination. Example, learning about black holes. Write event horizon in your notes. Then draw a stick figure astronaut stretching like spaghetti as they cross it. Boom, verbal plus visual memory activated. Your brain stops fighting you and finally starts working with you. Why it's a productivity hack. Visuals hit your brain's fast, automatic processing. Words hit the slow, logical side. Linking them makes recall almost unfair in exams, presentations, or client pitches. Pro tip, keep it simple, one clear visual per concept. Confusing or random images will tank your memory faster than a corrupted Stark file. Post your worst doodle of a study concept in the comments. Ugliest wins a shout out in the next video. Now that you're running dual processors, it's time to rewire your thought network. Upgrade 5 is where it gets wild. If these upgrades are firing you up, ever feel like no matter how hard you try, nothing sticks? These upgrades change that, for good. Imagine what happens when you run 2 or 3 together. That's when things get Stark level insane. Hit that like button if you're testing at least one tonight. And subscribe so you don't miss the bonus upgrade coming up. Trust me, it's the one that makes everything else 10x more powerful. Upgrade 5. Mind Mapping Neural Net. In Stark's lab, every system is connected, nothing runs in isolation. Mind mapping does that for your brain. Instead of dumping notes in a straight line, you map ideas like a tree. Main concepts in the trunk, details on the branches, links between them like power conduits. Example, studying the Cold War? Center, Cold War. Branch 1, political tension. Branch 2, arms race. Branch 3, proxy wars. Connect arms race to space race with a rocket emoji. Why it's a cognitive enhancement. It forces you to see relationships, not just facts. Suddenly, your notes stop looking like chaos and start looking like clarity. You start thinking in systems. Exactly how innovators like Stark make breakthroughs. You've got the core upgrades, but Stark always had one secret weapon locked in the vault. Ready for the bonus? Bonus upgrade, the Feynman laser. Sometimes, Stark needed to explain quantum physics to people who barely passed high school science. That's where the Feynman Technique shines. How it works. Pick a topic. Explain it in simple language, like you're teaching a kid. Find the gaps. Go back, fix them, and explain again. Example, blockchain. It's like a shared notebook that everyone can write in, but no one can erase, so everyone can trust what's written. Why it's a retention strategy beast. If you can explain it simply, you own it. If you can't, you don't. This works for law, medicine, coding, history, anything where clarity wins. This is how you stop feeling like an imposter and finally start feeling like an expert. Comment the hardest topic you've ever learned, and I'll try to Feynman it in 30 seconds in a future video. All 6 upgrades installed. Now it's time to deploy. Final challenge. You now have Stark's Mental OS. Memory Palace for storage. Active Recall for stress testing. Spaced repetition for long-term retention. Dual coding for speed. Mind mapping for connections. Feynman Technique for mastery. Here's your mission. Tonight, pick one real task, an exam, a work project, a new skill, and run at least 2 upgrades together. Watch how your focus sharpens, your recall improves, and your confidence spikes. Don't just be inspired, act. Most people scroll, nod, and change nothing. You're not most people. Because here's the truth. Most people will keep reading notes, forgetting facts, and wishing they were naturally smart. You'll engineer your intelligence, like Stark engineered the suit. Smash that like if you're upgrading your brain tonight. Subscribe for more high-performance study skills. And drop Stark Mind in the comments so I know you're part of the lab. Your brain just got an upgrade. Now go use it.